I'm gonna make me some salmon salad, which is another one of my favorite things. So come on with me and I'll show you how it's done. All right, so the nice thing about salmon salad is it's very simple. So I just have a can of chicken of the sea, pink boneless salmon. I have some bread toasting. Okay, so I'm gonna get me some relish. This is just regular dill relish. You can use sweet relish if you like. I just prefer dill. And again, I usually get relish out with a fork. It seems to work a whole lot easier, because then it just kind of, all the goop just slips down between. All right, so then I'm just gonna do that much of regular old Duke's mayonnaise. And this is what I'm gonna do first, because I wanna make sure that I don't over saturate it. To make sure that I have enough. And then I'm gonna add one solitary drop of sesame oil. Because again, that stuff is strong. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of teriyaki. And this is the Kroger brand teriyaki that has pineapple juice in it. I mean, it's actually a marinade, but I just use it as teriyaki sauce. Sometimes I don't do the teriyaki and the sesame. Today I kind of want something a little more Asian-y, but not really. Do just a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, all right, and I'm just going to put just a little bit of ginger, a little bit of garlic. And I'm not putting hardly any of that in there, because I do want this to mostly be the salmon, but salmon does have a more robust flavor. So let me taste this now. And I want a little more teriyaki. No, I think I want more mayonnaise. But again, that's kind of the benefit of doing simple things like this, is you can just kind of fiddle with it. And that's one of the reasons I don't really follow recipes, is it's just easier to just fiddle with it. That tastes better. I think maybe I want more of this too. It doesn't have enough relish in it. I like having a lot of relish. So see, I can just kind of pick and choose and decide if I want more or less. That's good. I just have some more of that oat bread. It's really good. No, you cannot have. You are allergic to fish. And salmon is fish. It is. So I just kind of poured some on my bread. It's nice and light. Lots of protein from the salmon. Pretty good dinner. Alright, well, y'all have a fabulous night. Remember, keep on loving the real world.